So I went to bed at 11, and this gentleman right here was still awake, and then I had to be somewhere early this morning at like 6, and I was up at 5, and this gentleman was still out here working.
It's a huge difference from when I first got her.
Yes. Do you want to go through what you did last night?
Put all the wiring back together, make sure that everything was set, connects properly, and make sure they're all the connections are clean so that you have, you know, proper voltage going through everything. When I got this, all these wires were all over the place. It was a mess. It looked like a spider's nest. And I also want to ride it naked every once in a while, so just make sure that everything's clean. Kind of, if you can see it from this side, kind of just hidden behind, you know, the lines of the frame and everything, just to make it look really nice.
Nice, you can see all the way through there. And when the carb bank's in there too, you'll be able to see them real nice.
Yeah, just really made sure, went through, make sure all the bolts that came off were tightened all over the bike. I also ended up putting the exhaust and the headers back on, put it back in overnight just to make sure that it wasn't leaking. Doesn't look like it is, so we're good.
Let's see that position.
He had surgery to repair a broken bone in that left hand. Walked straight out the carriage again.
Probably hear that. We're running a little rich. We got to work out some of that carb issue that we were having earlier. But... All right, so we just watched the Moto 3 race, and now we're making sure that we got everything redone and set up the way we had it last. She runs good, just like we had it. I'm checking the chain tension. I got to still clean this up. And we polished up the pipe on there. Remounting the tank right now. And then start it up. I'm going to give it a little test ride. And okay.
Start that puppy up. Oh, the sexiness.
Grab my helmet. What do you think, Danny?
I think we're gonna ride it.
So it was blowing a little smoke yesterday after we did the first test ride. We got that sorted out with some carburetor adjustments. Seems to be doing much better now. It was blowing quite a bit of white smoke, which seemed like it was running pretty rich. We just got it adjusted out. So we're gonna pop fairings on.